Have you ever felt that money slips through your fingers no matter how much you earn? Have you wondered how some people become millionaires while others struggle to make ends meet? Today, I'll reveal 10 secrets about money that millionaires would prefer to keep secret. These secrets, taken from the book The Art of Making Money, will surprise you, and if you apply them, they could change your financial life forever. Don't miss out. First, let's talk about an uncomfortable truth, the secret of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Millionaires understand that money can grow exponentially if invested correctly. It's not just about saving, but about making your money work for you. Imagine an army of dollars generating more dollars while you sleep. Doesn't that sound great? And here comes the second secret, smart diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The wealthy invest in multiple assets, real estate, stocks, bonds, businesses. This not only protects their wealth against market fluctuations, but also opens multiple sources of income. It's like having a financial buffet where there's always something to enjoy. But there's something even more crucial you need to know, the abundance mindset. This third secret is the most powerful. Millionaires don't see money as a scarce resource. They believe there is enough for everyone and that they can continuously create more value. This mindset drives them to take calculated risks and seize opportunities that others don't see. Are you ready to change your perspective? Now, pay attention to the fourth secret, earning by leveraging others' skills. The wealthy don't try to do everything themselves. They hire experts, delegate tasks, and surround themselves with talented people. This way, they multiply their productivity and focus their time on high-value activities. Can you imagine the power of having a team of superstars working with you? The fifth secret is simple but underestimated, the power of daily habits. Millionaires are masters of routine. They wake up early, read, exercise their body and mind, and continuously learn new skills. These small actions, repeated day after day, create a compound effect that leads them to success. What habits can you adopt today to get closer to your goals? And we can't forget the sixth secret, expense control. It doesn't matter how much you earn if you don't know how to manage your expenses. Millionaires live below their means and reinvest most of their income. They practice smart frugality, spending on what truly matters and eliminating the superfluous. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Let's move on to the seventh secret, continuous financial education. Millionaires never stop learning about finance, investments, and the economy. They attend seminars, read books, and stay informed about market trends. They know the rules of the financial game and are always a step ahead. Are you willing to invest in your financial knowledge? The eighth secret is a bit controversial but vital, the strategic use of debt. Not all debt is bad. Millionaires use debt wisely to acquire assets that generate more income. They buy properties, finance businesses, and leverage credit to their advantage. The key is distinguishing between good debt and bad debt. How could you use this strategy in your life? Ninth secret, the value of time. Time is the most valuable resource we have. Millionaires understand that money can be recovered, but time cannot. That's why they invest in things that save them time and increase their productivity. They automate processes, delegate tasks, and prioritize activities that truly matter. Are you using your time effectively? The 10th secret, the importance of giving. It may sound contradictory, but millionaires are generous. They donate to charities, support their communities, and reinvest in their environment. This generosity not only improves the world, but also creates a positive flow of energy and opportunities. What could you do today to contribute to something bigger than yourself? 11th secret, the importance of connections and networking. Millionaires know that financial success is not achieved alone. They cultivate relationships with other successful people, attend networking events, and become part of exclusive communities. These connections provide them with investment opportunities, collaboration, and personal and professional growth. Are you willing to expand your network and learn from those who have already achieved success? 12th secret, investing in yourself. Another crucial secret is investing in personal and professional development. Millionaires invest in education, training, and health. They know their greatest asset is themselves. Courses, seminars, mentorships, and even mental and physical health care are essential for maintaining optimal performance. What could you do today to invest in yourself and increase your market value? 13th secret: patience and long-term focus. Most people seek instant gratification, but millionaires understand the importance of being patient and having a long-term focus. They invest in assets that may take years to bear fruit and don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. This mindset allows them to accumulate wealth steadily and consistently. Are you willing to be patient and focus on your long-term goals? 14th secret: the power of innovation and adaptation. Millionaires are adaptable and always looking for new ways to innovate. They are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones and try new ideas, technologies, or methods. In a constantly changing world, the ability to adapt and reinvent oneself is essential for maintaining and increasing wealth. How can you innovate in your life and adapt to changes to ensure your financial success? These are the 14 secrets that millionaires don't want you to know. If you start applying them, you'll be amazed at how your financial life can transform. Remember, it's not just about making money, but about creating a system that works for you while you live the life you've always dreamed of. If you follow these steps, you can achieve financial stability that will allow you to enjoy your time and live with greater peace and satisfaction. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more life-changing tips, and if you liked this video, leave your comment and share it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video that will bring you even closer to your financial goals.